Merhaba from Taksim. Ayşenur Altan. I'm in Taksim Square, one of the touristic places to visit in Istanbul. Recently we had an explosion here. We have new rules across famous Istiklal Street. So I came here to take a look and show you how is it right now. One of the rules is that there are no sellers allowed along the street and you cannot sit down. They take out the seats. You can only walk and shop here. It is still very crowded and live. It's kind of cold, late November. We have about 1 hour to sunset, but it's a nice feeling. I can smell the chestnuts, which is famous. Probably in the beginning of the Istiklal Street, I saw one person selling, but right now I don't see anyone. Let's take a look at the Hafız Mustafa. Everything looks beautiful, isn't it? Yasak diyorlardı ama değil herhalde. Cadde boyunca mı?
Caddede yasak. Üsküdar caddede değiliz.
Güzel, iyi,
Eski evlerinde
sevindim.
değiliz.
Yani nasıl peki?
Çok kötü.
Hadi ya.
Görmüyorlar ki, yani şuradan geçerseniz beni görmezsiniz.
Doğru. Allah kolaylık versin ama kokuya gelirler inşallah. So the seller is saying they can stay to the sides of the street. But I said, how is it? Can you sell? They said it's really bad. They cannot see it. It's hard.
Bitirmezsin abi. Burada kızartma getir.
Kişi kalmıyor ki.
My favorite sarma. And we have trileçe here. Pumpkin dessert. They all look beautiful. When you come, make sure to visit this place called Bohça. They make authentic, one-of-a-kind, traditional clothes, the fabrics. They have different things. It's beautiful. So it seems like everything is normal other than no seats to sit down or sellers along the street. But life goes on. Kışın işler kesat herhalde. They are having hard time to sell during winter.
Can I make an introduction? Please go.
I used to come here, I remember, to buy scarves, silk scarves. It's a very old place. If you ask me like which Turkish delights to buy, because there are like tons of different kinds, I would suggest you to get the classic ones, which I cannot see it here. I'll show you inside. This one, either with hazelnuts or pistachios, or double pistachio. This one, and the rose flavored lokums, Turkish delights, are also nice. It's been a long time since I tried ıslak hamburger, so I'm gonna try one now for you. Let's try. Here we go. Wet hamburger. It is like very wet, as you can see. There are no places to sit. It's very small, but I know this buffet, so I wanted to give it a try. There are funs really eating this. Very soft bun. The bread soaked with tomato sauce. Not bad. You can try. But I think if I would be at home making this, I would make a classic köfte. Use crusty, hard Turkish bread soaked in beautiful tomato sauce and then made sandwich with a köfte. Then it would be better, I think. The cat is still waiting. Gel. Gel. Tabii şimdi gelirsin değil mi? Before he didn't come now, he knows that I can give something. Do you want? Yemedin. Niye yemedin? Yine versin. He didn't like the bread. Okay, for dessert I'm having classic again, halka tatlısı.
10.000 lirasına eksi limitten veriyor.
It is very crunchy. Even in 2 bites, you get enough sweet. So my friends, I hope you enjoyed the late afternoon, evening time in Istiklal Street together. The latest, the famous Istiklal Street. Write down in the comments what else would you like me to go visit, and stay tuned for more. See you next time. Bye.